Hey guys, so exciting news. The Harvest Goddess Design Challenge of 2022 is officially up. So what are community challenges? Community challenges are challenges that are hosted through my subreddit. So go to istebrak.com and click on the little subreddit icon at the top right of my little icon list there, and it'll take you to my subreddit. And the challenge is pinned at the top. The most important thing about this round though is that you join us on Discord. I believe it'll be a lot easier for me to compile them and save them to give you guys quick answers to questions you may have about the challenge. I think it'll be easier for you guys to ask each other questions and prepare for the challenge and get critiques as you guys make your submissions if you join the Discord. So what is the challenge? A harvest goddess is a deity celebrated across countless cultures, a very general symbol, a very general archetype. Many cultures, traditions, religions have their own iteration of a harvest goddess. She's the bringer of the crop, the goddess who returns travelers home, the nourishing mother behind the changing of the seasons. So for this challenge, you're going to draw her. You're going to design your own personal harvest goddess. And in addition to the harvest goddess, this time around, we didn't do this last time, you're going to design her animal companion or familiar. How do they represent her? How do they reflect her character? To read the full prompt, it is available through the Discord and available through the subreddit. So again, istebrak.com, click on the subreddit icon at the top and go to the announcement pinned at the top, and make sure you guys click on the Discord invite. Please join my Discord. Apart from all that, Discord is amazing. We all chill at night. I've met so many amazing artists through there, so many of my followers and students, and so many people have met each other there, and they just critique each other and everybody grows. As you guys know, community is vital. It is the backbone of any artist's upbringing. We have to build communities. We have to stay connected to our communities. A subreddit was amazing for that, but the Discord just gives us even more dimension to our community. So one thing I wanted to show you guys actually, for private tutoring, one of my students took on the challenge from a couple years ago, and he designed his own harvest goddess. And I wanted to show you guys the critique I did for it really quickly. Kind of what I talked about, everything behind it, and what I expect really out of the Harvest Goddess Design Challenge. So if you guys read through the brief, make sure you read through it. It's really important. It'll inspire you too. I spend time writing these briefs for you guys. So please read through it. It'll help you get started. It'll help get the ball rolling. And I think he did wonderfully on the general idea behind it. I think the choice, even the animal, the satyr that he picked, and the colors, phenomenal work. But I felt like it needed to be pushed a little bit further so that it reads as a harvest goddess. It reads as a goddess, a deity. So remember, you guys are asked to draw deities. And if you watch the one from 2 years ago, the harvest goddess design, the first one that I did on Critique Hour, you'll see I have the same critique. It's supposed to feel like a godlike creature, a being, not so much a creature design. So my critique really focused on that, trying to make her feel more like a celestial, grand, like very, very non-earthly, but very connected to what we see as greatness. So stars and translucency and ghost-like colors and glowing and anything that is just not very mortal or very material or tangible. So we're moving away from a creature design and moving more towards a god design. And then this is his final paint over after my paint over, and I think he did wonderfully. It's exactly what I'm looking for. If you were playing a game and you happened upon this character to complete a quest, you'd want the viewer to feel like they accomplished something amazing by finally the accomplishment of meeting this deity character. It's not just a common NPC from a fantasy game, but a celestial being, a very powerful, godlike. I mean, you can't just attach the word god or goddess to any type of creature design or character design. So remember that the creature companion that goes with her should also be representative of that deity's divinity. And I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with this. This one does have a limited palette as well. I love harvest season. I love the changing of the season. I love the changing of the leaves. I love that whole palette that we see around the fall, end of summer. So that's why I want to limit it so that we can get some of that festivity going. So that the limited palette, the swatches will be submitted to you through the Discord bulletin group on our community Discord. So again, make sure you guys are joining us on Discord. And that's it for the announcement. I hope you guys have a lot of fun. The due date will be sometime end of September, beginning of October. I will let you guys know. I'm giving you guys quite a bit of time for this challenge. It may not be a very big Halloween challenge this year. It may be just a 2-week little creepy creature, inked something, black and white drawing, something a little Tim Burton-ish, I'm thinking, for Halloween. Just one thing that I wanted to do is try to do something grayscale, something with lots of texture. So maybe just a 2 to 3 week Halloween challenge instead of a full 1 month course of a Halloween challenge. So all of October. So we may be looking at mid-October for the final due date of the Harvest Goddess Design Challenge. But very, very likely it'll be end of September at the earliest. So I'll let you guys go. Good luck with your challenges. Have fun. And if you wanted to take a look at the old submissions from the challenge 2 years ago, just simply YouTube Istebrak Harvest Goddess Design Challenge, and it'll just be the first result. Go through it. Let's see what other people have submitted. The amount of cultures we saw. We saw Indian culture. We saw Druidic culture. It was just amazing. So I'll see you guys in the Discord. Make sure you guys come hang with me if you see me hanging out in the voice channels. And have fun with the challenge. Bye.